Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of skill building and how ChatGPT can be your personal guide along the way. Whether you're learning something entirely new or advancing your current skills, I'll show you how to make the most of ChatGPT with prompts designed to help you stay on track. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra tips and resources to make sure your learning journey is even smoother. Let's jump right in. Starting a new skill can feel overwhelming, especially when you're trying to figure out where to even begin. Well, this is where ChatGPT can be an incredible partner. Let's start by asking ChatGPT to create a customized learning plan for example, graphic design. So now I'll put the prompt that I just crafted together right over here, right there, and I added a bit more details like the basic design principles, essential software, and the project milestones over the next 6 months. There we go. And then let's see what ChatGPT suggests right about now. Okay, let's see what it processes. All right, each month there's like topics, skills, activities. There's a project milestone here and there. All right, let's see each of them. So here it is, the one, another one right here. Introduction to, let's say, Adobe Photoshop or GIMP as an alternative. And then right over here, vector design, another one, typography, layout grids, last, combining all learned elements here and there. And yeah, this seems like a perfect learning plan, I must say. And so ChatGPT has outlined a plan starting with all the fundamentals that were mentioned right here. So with a roadmap like this, you'll know exactly what to focus on each step of the way, keeping the learning process smooth and organized. All right, it's time to get into the details of our learning routine. A well structured plan can make all the difference, helping you stay consistent and avoid burnout. But let's say we kick things up a notch and get a bit more detailed with, let's say, like a personalized weekly schedule. So, why not have ChatGPT create that? And so, here's the prompt that I just came up with right over here. So I want ChatGPT to design, like I said, weekly schedule with a time to learn the guitar, focusing on chords, strumming techniques, and simple songs over the next 12 weeks. Here's the total duration right over here. And yeah, so this should break down each week's focus, making sure we're progressing smoothly with the learning process for playing the guitar. All right, let's see. All right, let's see how it progresses. All right, weeks 1 and 4, foundation building. All right. All right. So weeks 1 and 4, foundation building, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, with a duration of 30 minutes each, and another one 45. Weeks 5 and 8, expanding skills. Same thing. And there's one right here, 1 hour, and 9 to 12, putting it all together. And yeah, so ChatGPT has mapped out a quite short yet very detailed a 12-week plan. It even includes like the duration on how long will you be learning this specific type when playing a guitar. It goes out to each specific day that is. And yeah, so with a schedule like this, sticking to your learning goals becomes so much easier. Not gonna lie, it really does. You find it a bit helpful, I must say. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Once we've set up our learning plan, the next step is gathering some quality resources. Learning a new skill is so much easier when you have access to a range of materials like interactive courses, insightful articles, or even podcasts you can listen to on the go. Now, I'll go ahead and ask ChatGPT to pull together a list of resources for us. So let's try something like right over here. I've asked ChatGPT what are the best online resources for learning digital marketing, including free courses, popular blogs, and podcasts. Now, this should give us a well rounded mix of tools to dive into. All right, let's leave it up to ChatGPT recommending some. All right, so here are the lists of right over here. Let's take a look at some of them right here. So for the free courses, right here is Google Digital Garage. There's HubSpot Academy. Another one right here, Coursera from University of Illinois, University of Toronto, etc. For blogs, there's Neil Patel blog, Arif's blog, one for a podcast, Call to Action by Unbounds. Run right here. Social Media Marketing Podcast by Michael Stelzner. Is it? Yeah. So yeah, these are the recommendations that ChatGPT had listed down right here. So with resources like these, you'll have everything you need to build a solid understanding from multiple angles, making the learning experience for you much richer. See? If not, you can just click right here, switch model, and try again to see what are different recommendations that ChatGPT would pop up for you. Or you can edit a bit with your prompt for the recommendations to show up with the different ones. So it's all up to you. One of the best ways to stay motivated is by tracking your progress and celebrating each win, no matter how small it is. Recognizing these achievements give you a sense of momentum and a clear view of how far you've come. Now, let's give ChatGPT a prompt to see how it can help with this. I'll go something like this one. How can I track my progress in learning code, for instance, and what milestone should I celebrate? There we go, just as I stated. So this should give us a structured way to document our growth and goals. So with this, let's send our prompt right now. All right, so let's see how it progress for the results right here. All right, here are the lists. So here are the following. Oh, just 5, and there's some sub details right here under that. So there's one, define clear learning goals, beginner, intermediate, advanced. That's the simple one. There's another one with logs or journals. There's also use platforms to log milestones. One right here, celebrate key milestones. Over here with the sub details right here, and then set stretch goals and reward yourself. All right, and great. So with these kinds of milestones and such, you're not only keeping an eye on your progress, but also giving yourself reasons to celebrate, thus making the learning journey both structured and satisfying. And that's about it. ChatGPT can be such a valuable partner in your skill building journey, from creating a learning path to helping you stay motivated and track your progress.